Cured epoxies are inert and totally safe polymers. However, their starting building blocks, resins and hardeners, may cause hazards if not handled properly. The first step to avoid any problems is to read the handling instructions and labels carefully. Second, apply a protective skin cream to exposed areas such as face, lower arms or legs. Third, get the right protective equipment. Gloves, check. Goggles, check. Single-use overalls or trousers, check. Apron and leg protection, check. You may also need a breathing mask. Now get ready to mix the components following the instructions provided in the package and using the right measuring devices, for instance scales, flow meters or specific tippers. But be careful, use different devices for the resin and the hardener. You don't want them to start the curing process. Go slowly to prevent any splashes. We recommend you use a specially designed equipment for this purpose. And never forget to cover your legs and feet. When it comes to the application, suitable pail carriers should be used to pour the uncured liquid epoxy and spread it safely. For example, instead of a palette knife, use a scraper to keep a safe distance, and if possible, add a splash protector to your rollers. Once you are done, remember to clean your tools properly by scraping off residual material or by using cleaning detergents. And do not forget the handles. If you have any unreacted leftovers, you can store them in sealed containers in a cool and dry place. Epoxy containers must not be kept in unsuitable places, such as restrooms or temporary accommodations on the building site. What about the waste? Bear in mind that uncontrolled disposal of uncured resin and/or hardener components may harm our environment. Dispose of epoxy resins only after they have cured to solids, as normal building waste. And remember to dispose of the protective clothing too. They are single-use. Regular training is the best way to prevent accidents. So make sure all workers using epoxy resins are properly trained, so they also know what to do in case something happens. In addition to first aid measures, such as cleaning the skin or eyes with water and providing fresh air, please inform your safety advisor and call a doctor as soon as possible. Need more information? You can always consult the safety data sheets for each specific product. With that and some thorough preventative measures, you can guarantee a safe job, bringing tomorrow's epoxy technology to life, today, and in a safe way.